Oh, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. That's our website. It's our QBO blog. We have great articles and free video tutorials to help you. You may want to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We have two channels, BP Controller and QuickBooks QBO. So you just have to type youtube.com for us. That's BP Controller to go this channel. Another one is youtube.com/QuickBooks QBO. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how to include missing pay field on downloaded banking transactions in QuickBooks Banking for Review tab. So you downloaded transactions and pay field was missing. It's on your bank details, but it's not on pay fields. Is missing. So that's the focus of this video. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online. So here's your QuickBooks Online. So the one we're talking about is from the left dashboard. You just click the banking. Okay, as you can see here, the downloaded transactions, and under description it'll say A1 rental. If you click it, it will give more information actually, you know, like this. But the pay field, that's your vendor or supplier, is missing. So how to get this pay field next time it downloads similar banking transactions? Okay, so what you need to do is you need to create rules for this type of transactions. Okay, so I'm just gonna click this rules, and you want to add new rules. It's a new rule, and the rule name, let's just say A1 rental. A1 rental. Okay, this is money out, that means expenses, and so the text on what you see on description is basically A1 rental. So you want to add that one. Okay, you can add another line if they have other choices. Okay, and this is the transaction type and expenses. Okay, and pay is A1 rental. In this case I have already added A1 rental in here, so it's in here. Select that one, and if it's not on your list, just click add new like this and add your A1 rental or whatever supplies name you have. Okay, so the category is when it's downloaded, you'll just say it said uncategorized. You know, the category is uncategorized expense, so you want to make sure it goes to the right account category. Alright, so let's say this one, I'm going to create a new rule, A1 rental, and also under the conditions just put the A1 rental, that's your vendor, name of the vendor. Okay, and pay is A1, and let's say this category, account category you want is expense to equipment rental account. Select that one. Okay, and underneath you see automatically add to my books checkbox, or don't check, no, uncheck that box. So if you check this, it will basically it will download and from your bank, and it automatically add to your QuickBooks. So it's already registered. You don't have to do anything. It's automatic thing. But if you uncheck this box, it's basically you have to review it and then add to QuickBooks. Okay, so I'm just gonna click this checkbox and see what happens. I'm gonna save this. Okay, I'm gonna go to banking. Alright, so it's already gone now. It's already posted from for review tab to it's under reviewed. Reviewed means it's already in your register. So if you look at it here, so it's already here. See, it's under, it created a rule, and it's in QuickBooks now. That's all you need to do. It's done. Same thing with this. It's blank. All you have to do is you can do it from here too. So create rules for this from this transaction. So it gives you all the choices in here. So there's the Chris Chin's gas. Alright, I'm just going to put Chin gas. Okay, and expense. In this case, I don't have Chin's. Oh, I have Chin's gas in here already. Okay, Chin's gas and oil. Alright, rental. This is the uncategorized expenses says. So you want to use the let's say I'm just going to use gas and electric. Okay, and let's say in this case I want to review it. Just save it. So now it's in here, and at this point you can review it. Under rule it says going to utilities, gas and electric, and if you don't like this account you can just click it and change the account. If you like it, then all you have to do is add. So you have a choice in here. So it's a pay field is already added in here. It's already filled because you created rules in here. Just add this and it's done. So that's pretty easy, I think. So that's how it's done. Okay, well, thank you for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We have all kinds of free video tutorials that will help you. Thank you again. Bye.